I be getting so high, yeah, so high, but I'm still going at the top. Oh my, meet me in the block with torn jackets, no bow tie. This beat was made during the time of not being sober. The only thing I have to hate is hungover, especially on them Sundays when y'all be feeling lonely. Y'all be the judge if it's important, yeah, yeah, yeah. My homie, I got your back. I told him not to worry about the raps, but we gon' see at the aftermath. Then after that, what the fuck happened after that? Can't learn my course, I have to be a copycat, but I'm never gonna groove with any other crafts. Watch me roll till I become your acrobat. One day you coming with it after all, you not that bad. I'll be on my track again. Being broke reminds me I have to win. But what do somebody like me, don't try that, my friend. Trolling on IG, y'all better stop that pretend. Share this shit to your kids, go recommend. Been sinning a lot, it's gonna be a bitter end. Girl, if you don't like me, delete a friend. Wish I can go back to 20 and grab my pen. Do this shit with much more commitment. Get rid of this being indifferent, and all the cigarettes taking away my stress. Even though it's only for a minute, at least they did the best to help me with my imperfect quest to the chest in the west. I'm a motherfucker who self-professed, a lot of shit to express. I'm not from the industry, so I don't possess anything unless I get it my own. Stick with the bad and cleans to the bone. Used to write on papers, now I type even on phone. Can be with most y'all stuck in my zone. For my education, mama took a lot of loans. Lost in my mind, oh shit, I can't atone. 24/7, my eyes red, my heart flown. I outshone y'all motherfuckers with a clone. Ain't wasting no cash on cologne. I just smoke the weed and get stoned. It's my fucking life, you can't foretold. But I compose, but I'm talking indo. I just wanna bend strong, forget Lambo. No Google Maps to the top of the hill I roll. I have a punching bag with no gloves. 300 ml to my liver, I vocals. Picking multiple times in the morning, where the fuck is glucose? Some of y'all might be wondering if I'm the new goat. I'm not a fucking young goat. I be getting so high, yeah, so high, but I'm still going at the top. Oh my, meet me in the block with torn jackets, no bow tie. This beat was made during the time of not being sober. The only thing I have to hate is hungover, especially on them Sundays when y'all be feeling lonely. Y'all be the judge if it's important, yeah, yeah, yeah. Overthinking things in my head when I solo. I'ma do this shit on my own fucking promo. You gon' need a better cam if I go pro. Bitch, I ain't talking about photo shoot. All you need is IQ, then they'll recruit. I just wanna get in the booth, spit my bars and jumble up all my moods. The devil gon' eat you when you have the longest route. It's bad to be too regular with the food, but not with the water. Bring it up, we're ready to slaughter. Pouring liquor on his meat, ain't using that butter. My shoes got turned, have to go to a cobbler. When I die, give me that medal of honor. Hand it over to my homies or my brother. I was and I'll always be a gunner. Sleep half naked for wearing a pajama. I'm done with all the drama shit, but it makes me feel dramatic. Rip the ball like an addict. In the house, I'm the one who's the most problematic. The reason that I'm looking for a bad bitch, sick of being average. Whatever might be the case, I'll try hard to manage. The only thing I'm dealing with is my old package. You might also think that I already vanished, that I'm just sinking Titanic. I don't care about your statistics. I'll be the sickest in the playlist, broke as fuck, repairing all of these stitches. My life fucked up, still trying to move all of the glitches. One river with a lot of bridges. Used to throw tantrums with that, now I act like I'm speechless. He said I'll get whiplashed by Jesus, which reminds us of me and my penis. And we can't take the chance to run from neatness. Still trying to stay as clean as possible. They might be sitting there and think this is comical, while I'm fighting to be in the chronicle with my conical pipe. My phone to do the swipe, checking on people who are grabbing the mic about what they describe, about what they have to gripe. Yeah, hey. I be getting so high, yeah, so high, but I'm still going at the top. Oh my, meet me in the block with torn jackets, no bow tie. This beat was made during the time of not being sober. The only thing I have to hate is hungover, especially on them Sundays when y'all be feeling lonely. Y'all be the judge if it's important.